and just, log in with your details, and you're going to be taken with this configurator in here, which says ready to build the perfect website in only 4 steps. You can also start from scratch, but I don't recommend this because it's going to take you so much more work, okay? So let's just click on let's do it here. Now from here, you have to select between a business website, an online store, a blog, and even a website or an e-learning platform, okay? That's going to depend on you completely. I'm going to select a business website, which is going to be like the most common. And let's say that I want to select, I don't know, like, I don't know, spa, for example, right? Let's see if we can get something like that, okay? Like a day spa, nice. With the main objective to basically sell more, inform customers, schedule appointments, so on, so on. You can select, for example, schedule appointments. I think that's going to be very appropriate for a day spa. And here you can select like the color palette, all right? You have multiple of them here, but I like this option a lot, the one that says detect from logo. You can just click on this button here to upload your logo image, and depending on the colors of that logo, a palette is going to be selected, which is very cool, okay? I'm just going to select, I don't know, this one. I think is going to go well with spa. And here you can just add pages and features, okay? Every page, I think that you should have like an about us, services, privacy policy. Let's also select, I don't know, like kind of appointments, of course, which is already selected. We can also add like a live chat, and that's gonna be pretty much it, okay? I think that's gonna be sufficient for, a day spa, okay? Actually, I'm just gonna remove the live chat in here. I'm just gonna click on build my website, okay? Now here you can just select from any of these themes, or you can view more themes. Just scroll down, there's many themes that you can choose from here, and just select your preferred one, all right? I'm just gonna select like this one here or this one. They look cool in my opinion. So yeah, let's just go for this one. Now you're gonna have to wait a couple of minutes until the AI does its magic, and you're gonna be presented like a first draft, which is amazing, okay? And there you go, guys. Here you have your website, okay? This is only first draft, but in my opinion, it looks pretty good already, okay? Which is very nice. Alright? It's very important to notice, guys, that most of these elements are actually interchangeable. For example, images, the text, and things like that, okay? So I just want to click on basically edit here, alright? And now, once you click on edit, you have different options. You have basically your blogs. This is going to allow you to add new blogs, okay? That's very important to notice. You can customize your existing blogs already. For example, if you click on the first one here, this intro blog is going to be selected and you can modify it, okay, which is nice. You can also just modify the theme in terms of the colors, the paragraph, and so on and so on, okay? Now you can just change the text directly here. So let's say that I want to remove, this creating. I just want to select this one here, the perfect day, just as you envision, okay, that's sorter. Okay, so I can just do that, okay, by just clicking onto these tags, all right? You can also change this image by just clicking on replace, okay, and then you can upload your own image, okay, and you can also choose, for example, video or shape, which is nice. Something that I quite like is you can just add your new video here from our URL, which is amazing, okay? And also from your computer. In general, you can do a bunch of stuff. For example, you can choose to delete any blog that you like. I don't know, let's delete this guy here, for example, okay? So I'm just gonna select this blog and I'm gonna click on this button. There we go. And I'm gonna delete this guy also, okay? Nice. Now let's also modify this text here by clicking on meet our team. And here I'm just gonna go to the customize section, and I'm gonna modify the font to something like a little bit maybe bolder. Okay, there we go. And I can basically like, I don't know, select the font also. You can also apply different settings such as animate, and you can also generate or transform your content with AI, which is great. Now let's say that instead I want to add a new blog for my team, okay, with more people. I'm just gonna come to the blog section here. I'm gonna go to people, and I'm gonna look for, something that I like. In my example, it's gonna be, I don't know, this one, for example, okay? And as you can see, here we have our new, block of people, okay? With different images and different names, and that's great. If you just wanna add like a new page, you can always just come to here, to new, and you can click on page, appointment form, event, and many things like that. Also, you can optimize the CEO by coming into the site section and then clicking optimize CEO, okay? And now you're basically gonna be, presented a lot of suggestions, such as, marking your images and things like that, okay? And then you can just click on save after you're done. Something that you can do as well is you can sell online if you install your e-commerce model, okay? By coming to configuration, then apps, and here you can just look for your e-commerce model here. For example, we have our e-commerce here. You can just click on install, and that's gonna be it, okay? Now remember guys, that you can always preview the mobile version by clicking into this icon in here, and that's gonna show you how it's gonna look in your phone, which is nice, okay? Yeah, that's pretty much it for basically for Odoo, the website builder. I think that it's a very complete tool in general. You have full ERP integration, CRM, e-commerce, email marketing, analytics, and appointments, which is nice, all in one tool. You have a very intuitive drag and drop editor with mobile responsiveness that you can modify. You also have your built-in SEO analysis, which is nice. And the best of all is that this is an open source core, okay, with a community and with an enterprise editions, all right, which is very nice. The cons, in my opinion, is that you have maybe a limited flexibility when editing these websites because this is based on different themes, okay, and the advanced customizations require developer support, okay. But I think it's a pretty good tool, especially considering the fact that you can try it for free. Thank you so much, guys.